Welcome back to Taking Time. I'm Jonathan, and I've got three Pateks here that are not sports watches, and they're not automatic. So I don't know what we're going to be talking about. Stick around. So I mentioned that these are three Pateks and they're not automatic. These are the epitome of the classic dress watches, meaning they're not sports watches. And obviously they're not on a bracelet. These three watches that we have in stock right now, by the way, that we just got in stock, are all on straps. And they're dress watches, meaning that these should not be worn in just an everyday kind of case. Situation. So these are ultra thin watches. These are the Calatrava, and specifically the 5119s. And this has the 215 PS or petite seconds movement in it. This is a very, very thin 7.2 millimeter case with a beautiful hobnail bezel. And this is all done completely by hand. And then it's got a fire finished enamel dial with the signature Patek Roman numeral on the dial. Now the movement is a pre-2009 Geneva sealed movement. And it's got their signature finish with the different levels of actual gradient on the movement. This is a manual wind movement, so you're going to have to actually wind this, and it's in a 36 millimeter case. So wearing this with a suit and tie to the office is going to be absolutely perfect. So we've got three of these variants in stock right now. We've got the white gold, we've got yellow gold, and we've got rose gold. All right, so I'm going to actually show you what this looks like on my wrist. So this is a little upside down, but this is the millimeter size in reference. So, I mean, this is going to be absolutely classic in proportions. It's not going to be large. It's not going to be thick. This is going to go great with a suit and tie. So wearing this to the office or on a date night, you know, men and women can wear this. But yes, so we've got three different variants of this. We've got the beautiful white gold, which I prefer. We've got yellow gold, and we've got rose gold. We've got multiple variants of these in stock right now on our website. So give me a call, email me, like, subscribe, the whole thing, so we can figure out which one that you're going to take home.